John?
Good to see you again.
Pleasure. Always good to come see what you guys have in the shop. What do you do here?
I'm one of the owners, and I do 99% of the fabrication work here. So I pretty much do all of the fabrication side of stuff, and then Bill handles all the overhead crap. So
I guess one thing I should say is, what won't you do here?
roll cages I don't do. I don't have a bender, and people don't want to pay me to do them because they take so long, and I TIG weld everything. So like I would if I got a bender, but for the most part I just run people off with price, or I just tell them I can't do it. I do mostly plumbing, like headers, exhaust, intake. I made intercoolers, radiators, fuel cells, go fast parts. I'm not too worried about safety. They can handle that somewhere else.
When did the desire to get into the car game start?
Okay.
That first car that gave you the wow?
For me, it was when I was probably in middle school, and I got a go-kart, and it's just been down. I'd always liked cars as a kid and thought they were cool, but I really didn't know much about like the mechanics or anything like that. And then got my hands on a go-kart, a little one-wheel drive yard cart, and had a little 3 horsepower on it, and didn't take me long before I was up to a racing cart with a built motor run on methanol. So I started young, and then once I learned how to drive and got my license, it just naturally progressed into cars. So.
Here we are. Go-karts are a little bit bigger and faster.
Yeah, bigger, faster, and a lot more expensive. So.
Absolutely. Preference, speed, style, and functionality. Where do you usually fall at, or how does the shop fall into place?
Yeah, for me, I like being comfortable. I don't like being super loud and obnoxious. At least I like building road cars for myself, but it's got to be fast and it's got to look good. So you got to find that fine line. And a lot of it depends on what the customer wants. Like this Corvette, for example, this guy, he wanted a nice quiet exhaust. He wants to take this on road trips. He drives it all over the place. He did the Hot Rod Power Tour. And so he wanted it nice and quiet. And then you got that little Honda over there that's, hood exit. It's gonna shoot fireballs and be loud. So yeah, we do a little bit of everything.
What's the first car, worst car, best car, and current car?
All right, I can answer that with pretty much 2 cars. First car was a 2001 Mercury Cougar. It was brand new. It was a nice shiny turd that my uncle bought me. It was actually a really nice car for a first car especially, but I ended up totaling it because I was in high school, and I still can't drive, but I definitely couldn't drive then. But luckily the insurance money bought me the RX-7, and I've had that ever since. So that's definitely been my favorite car. At times it's been my least favorite. It spends more time in the shop than it does out on the road.